People ask me one question all the time. Why don't you promise guaranteed profit? So let me tell you the honest reason. If I promise guaranteed profit, I'd be lying. And I don't want to lie to you just to sound confident. I have traded long enough to know one thing. The market doesn't listen to promises. Some days it works perfectly, some days it doesn't. And no one, not me, not anyone, controls that. I have had days where everything went right, and I have had days where nothing worked. Same strategy, same mindset, different outcome. That's when I understood something. Forex is not a machine, it's real people, real money, and real emotions. If I promise you guaranteed profit, what happens the day you face a loss? You will feel cheated, you will feel broken, and you will blame yourself for trusting the wrong promise. And I don't want that. I would rather be honest and say this: there will be wins, there will be losses, and there will be days you question everything. What I can promise is effort, learning, risk control, and discipline. But profit, that comes and goes. Anyone who promises guaranteed profit is not protecting you, they are protecting their image. And I don't want followers who believe in magic. I want people who understand reality, because real trading is not about guarantees. It's about survival, patience, and honesty. And that's why I don't promise guaranteed profit. That's all, my friend.